DJ's coming back. Tell him why.
Look over here. Ready, 1, 2. 1, 2. Can I have you guys squeeze in?
Thanks, Chief. Thanks. I told him. They've been posing for what?
No, he was like, oh, it got out.
Number 50 pepper pickers out there, all right? Everybody in. Come on in, come on in.
All right, everybody, this camera here, we're going to take 3, okay? Here we go, everybody. Here we go again. One more time, here we go. Beautiful, thank you guys.
Thank you. Thanks, Teach.
Was that it? Was that it? Oh, okay.
Tell Foodie next to the senator.
I was so confused. I was like, is that it?
I swear to God.
Sorry.
Yeah. I went down there and I was like, no, you can't take a photo. He said,
Yeah, guys.
this guy was like, I'll go. Photo people aren't really that happy. He's fine. You don't give them credit.
Thank you, guys.
You were on TV again. That's crazy. All right. Well. That's fucking cool. It's never too late to turn your life around. Never too late.
I'm the behind the scenes, but you're the behind the scenes.
Crazy. This is crazy. It's never too late.
It's never too late.
Never too late.
At the most, and even then it was kind of scattered around here and there. I remember that I kept telling you, we're over here.
About to find out. I'm sticking around to see what that's about.
Alan, we're here.
About to find out right now. We're gonna see. Hold up.
Yes, sir.
Sorry,
How to come on down.
That's how we roll. You bet on anything here today? You bet. How much you win?
About to find out. About to find out.
Alan!
Oh, Alan's up there.
Everybody fucking moves.
Got a good vantage point from over here. Oh. Look at that. $50,000. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Huh.
Oh, the dancing guy. It's like the sus guy that was entertained that dances. That's exactly what he definitely said. Did he even say that? He didn't say that. The money's not for Alan. The money's for like, helping LA. Did you say that? No way. I just thought I heard that. You said that.
I don't think it's a loss in that, guys. So I'm not one to spread false information. That is paid to the Order of Rebuild LA, not the Los Angelinos Foundation. It's not the same. It's not the same. It's not the same one. It's not the same thing. I'm not gonna spread false information for a narrative. That is to the Order of the HFH Rebuild LA Foundation. Make sure the chat was tripping. The chat was tripping, bro. The chat was true. No, like there was like I wanted to spread. I just wanted to clear up some misinformation.
Who's HFH?
I don't know who they are, but it's not.
It's Habitat for Humanity.
They're,
So that's not to Alan? Rebuild.
no,
Los
it's no, it's not.
Angeles.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to clear up. That's what I was trying to clear up. It's not.
I saw you on this one too, but yeah.
You've been tripping all afternoon, Caleb. Be positive. You don't even follow me, homie. You're blocked.
You watch the stream, tap the stream, share the stream, or if you donate it, definitely this belongs to you. I'm honored and flattered and humbled by
How come they didn't go to the KloverKing agency? Because we're not scammers.
like this.
Keep trying to explain that. Because we are not scammers, bro.
That's for all y'all homies right there.
That's why. We are not scammers.
¿Quiere llorar?